How to add marker in the Filmora editing app. So let's get started. First of all, open the Filmora app just like this. After opening the app, make sure you have added the photo or video that you want to edit just like this. Now to add the marker, tap onto the video track just right here. Tap on it. Then scroll to your right just like this. And after finding the place that you want to add the marker, simply tap onto the split option right here. Tap on it just like this. And now you can see you have added a marker. Now by doing this, you can simply use it as a reference to edit the video as however you want to edit it and make it simple for you. Now do the same process to add another marker just like this. Now keep on editing the video, simply export it. And that's it. This is how you can add the marker in the Filmora app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.